I hope next batch practitioner will have more class from Rajesh Ji. Because he is so good and sometimes he push so strong to how, but I guess it's good for us. So I hope next batch people will have more class with him.
It's been one of the best months of my life. I think it's a fantastic course. Every teacher really brought a different aspect of yoga and personality to the whole course. It was just really a privilege to come and do this with you all, and I feel like I've learned so much. I'm sure everyone else does, so thank you so much.
Hello. Like Stuart said, it's been one of the most magical months of my entire life. It was far more physically and mentally challenging than I imagined it would be. Thank you.
I came here with no expectations, but I'm so blessed and grateful, and I can't wait to come back. Really, thank you. You really, I really felt like a family, and you were the ones who created that family, and all of you. So thank you.
Thankful to Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School. At first, I just came here to learn Vinyasa and to get the certificate. But after coming here, I met such a good teachers and my very loving friends from all over the globe. And also, I'm gonna miss you all. No words.
It was life-changing. I had a few opportunities to come to India before, and I always say, no, it's not time to India, it's not time for India. Anyway, and then suddenly, somehow, actually in the beginning when I started the course, I regret that I haven't been here like when I was on my 20s, because probably I would have changed a lot of things in my life. True now that I'm 42. But I think now actually was the time, and I'm so glad that I have been here with you guys. And for me, really, you guys changed my life. And I am super happy. I think I'm in the most happiest times of my life, and really changed me. So thank you.
Everyone said it's been an amazing journey. I got to learn so much. Like, I came here with the expectation that I'll learn asanas, but it obviously is more than asana. It's yoga as a whole. It has taught me and make me realize a lot of things in my life, to be human more. And as Kim said in one of his presentation, not to lose yourself, finding yourself. I think I found myself. I'll surely practice my journey, and I will come to this school again. But, thank you for everything. Thank you all for making this journey amazing. I will miss you guys.
Thank you to all the teachers for teaching us everything that you taught us, and also you guys for coming in September and being able to meet you all. You're all amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you for teaching us so much. Thank you for showing us the path. I mean, this is really beautiful, and I feel really grateful, really blessed for all the moments which I shared with you guys here. You all are amazing. I'm gonna miss you so much. Thank you so much.